Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Hazel's Emporium. So this is a voiceover. The this was from my vacation video. So as you can see all the flags. I intentionally put a kind of beach flag just to determine that this is a property. This is our property, no? So we do the bulldozer in this area. This is hopefully the entrance area of the hopefully farm resort, God dwelling. So as you can see, I intended to put a flag, a farm beach flag, just to recognize that those area started from there is the property we owned. Okay, so that part has a tree post, which that tree can be grow even it is in the water. That there's special kind of tree. So all those facing towards that, all those flags are covered from our area. So yeah, from the green, light green, and there is the red to neon green, and forwards to that is a part of our property. The one that is on the right side is not ours. Okay, that's only with the perimeter fence is ours. So we're planning to put a alley on that. There must be a lot of money involved in this. So this is a how many years projects? No, this is not a one-time project. So at least we have something to look forward. So yeah, from there I just so the pink up to yellow, all of those are parts of the area. So I was super busy almost every day. I was very involved in all the improvement in the farm. I do all the cooking, and my aunties help too, and my cousins. I am so thankful, grateful for from all the help from all these people. I cannot mention all of them, but I am super grateful, thankful from all your help. This has not been like this without you guys, your help. You are superb. So I am super thankful to God for giving this kind of people in my life. So yeah, we had this perimeter fence post. We put like cement inside in that with like kind of cement thing. So I'm not very good in that. So from that area, as you can see, from the orange part up to the very top, as you can see, all like a clean top, that is part of our area too. And so this is the rice field area. It's kind of big area though, so a lot of money to speaking of this. So there must be years. It's not that quick, easy, just like that. It might take a year to build this because we don't have that much money, so we have to work hard for this. Anyway, this is my kind of retirement house farm here, so at least we have something to look forward for future. Yeah, so this is the area. I just couldn't believe this turns into in this beautiful views like this. I am super happy that it was very accomplished, you know. So I am planning of building up some A-shaped houses here, like bahay kubo, for future. That's part of the plan. And we cut some of the coconut trees which will not be productive or will not be fruitful some days, and those are some wildflower too. I had a video uploaded earlier in that, like all those kind of wildflower. which I did not even buy those. We just get some from our neighbor there. We got lots of beautiful wildflower there too. So yeah, looking good, all clean up. Hopefully, when I come visit there, it will be. But I am planning of getting somebody to clean up the area, to maintain the area. So that's the plan. Mm, really, I am super happy. Like, as you can see, it is super clean. Not super, super clean, but at least all cleaned, you know. Very protective. That was my goal in this 2 months vacation. I was just couldn't able to do some try on and filming because there was super poor connection of Wi-Fi, even a cellular data. I had a Wi-Fi kind of gadget, but it didn't really work that much. So yeah, and I am just super happy to share this accomplishment of mine from that vacation. It was tough, rainy almost every day there. Well, it's rainy season, December, January, like winter time here in Canada, rainy season there in the Philippines, in my province. So what I can expect, right? So this is the two layers of the fish pond, which is I just couldn't believe that's how hard to build up a fish pond. Like they have this kind of called bedrock, like the very bottom part of the soil, which is like hard soil in that fish pond. So yeah, the people working in that uh fish pond was superb. Like, oh my goodness, like they work really hard to that. And considering how much is only the per day, that's not really much. So I am very grateful for that, for all the people who work in the farm. Very thanks God to all of that. And yeah, so I am planning of putting a fish pond, fish, and the other layer will be shrimp and hopefully the crab thing. So that's another, so not super slope, like just a light slope. So I am planning of planting some uh, fruit bearing trees there. So yeah, I am happy to share this, and I hope you all guys appreciate what I just filmed. I am very happy to share this. This might not be a super big lot, but at least accomplishment from all this work hard here in Canada. It feels good when we put something for price from all of this hard work. So yeah, we use this kuku lumber, we use this bamboo thing to build this pathway, a division from another layer of pond. So, and this area, this has a spring source that has to develop another project. So this is a source of spring fresh water. Lots of money, I know, yeah, but it will be in, for this is not a one-time project. This is like how many years. So, and in the roadside, this is the area that I will be building my retirement house. Yeah, this is a facing towards overlooking the ocean. That's my plan. So facing towards the ocean and facing towards the farm, which is a little slope kind of the land. But in this area, in this portion, this is not a slope. Like this is like a flat top of that, and then on the other side there's a little hilly, so some kinds of, I have a plan, I have an idea of what kind of house to build here. So yeah, I'm happy to share this, and please enjoy watching, and you can leave your comment below. Oh, I am very much willing to read all the suggestions, if you have some view idea of the upcoming project. And then I will keep you posted on the progress of this farm. I am planning to call this hot Hazel's hut. Yeah, so that's the plan. So this is the top part of this area. I am planning of giving this little area to my auntie for their evacuation bahay kubo, because it's a big area though. The top area is 700 square meters, so it's a big enough. Yeah, and some part of this area on this side is my this area, yeah, on this side is my retirement house. So I am looking forward to build my retirement house here. I know I'm not that old though, but it's nice to have a plan for the future, right? So that's facing towards the ocean, which is overlooking the ocean. Very beautiful view. It's super, very beautiful. It's so relaxing. Yeah, I miss the area though. Now that I'm back in Canada, I have to work my ass hard back. So at least I have something to look forward. Yeah. And please enjoy watching. Thank you for all your support. Thank you for watching my not super short video. This is like a 15 minutes or 17 minutes video. So, and we had our Thanksgiving lunch here with all the workers. Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you, God, for all the blessings. And that is a jackfruit fruit. My auntie planted that. So that's the area overlooking. So that's what I was planning, to have this area on top for my retirement house, facing towards the balcony is facing towards the ocean and overlooking towards the farm as well. So yeah. The entire area is like 1.6 hectares only. It's not really that big though.